I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So what was that, like 2 weeks ago I did my IPSY OS bag, which is more of a collection of all the things that you could possibly get in any of the bags. This one is the one that I actually pay for, the Glam Bag Plus. So I did get a repeat item. I got this Violet VOSS eyeshadow palette. So, you know, I won't go as into detail as I did in my last video. If you haven't seen that one, check it out. It is a lovely, small, travel size type of a palette with some nice big pans in there though, and it's got a lot of really warm neutral tones as well as this wonderful bright pop of color in the middle, that coral color. I did enjoy the palette, absolutely. So this one, even though I just shoved my thumb in it, is probably going to go as a gift to somebody. Maybe my sister, since she won't mind the thumbprint. This one is also sort of a repeat, except that this is in a different color. This is from Sugar Rush and it is a lip oil, and the last one that I got was just a different color, but basically the same thing, where it feels a little more like a lip gloss, but it is a lip oil, and so for me it just sort of sits on top of your lips and never really soaks in, so it's not hydrating and it just feels sort of slippery. There's not a lot of color. You can see I swatch it on my hand right here, and if you do like more of a natural lip and you know you want like that glossy thing, if lip oils work for you, I can totally see this as being a lovely product, but for me it just doesn't work. This is another product that I've had in the past. I don't think from IPSY, but back when I was a JULEP Maven subscriber, when they actually did that, and I used to love that box. I have several other colors of this. This is from JULEP. This is the Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick. This one is in the shade Bronze Shimmer. I do have it on my eyes today, and it is the only eyeshadow that I am wearing. I just used this and I didn't even use any brushes. So I'll swatch it on my hand so you can kind of see it there as well. It's just, you know, shimmery bronze, exactly what it says. There's nothing crazy about it, but it does go on very smoothly. You know, it's a twist up thing with kind of a fat crayon thing going on, and then on this end you have a little smudgy guy, and this is what I used to blend it out. So this is maybe not necessarily my favorite way to apply this or to smudge it. Your fingers work really well, or if you have a nice dense brush, that will work really well because it is more on the cream side, so a fluffy brush isn't really going to do a whole lot. You can maybe work with it, but anyway, it does have that, which makes this travel friendly, easy to use. I like the one and done sort of color thing, so I do like this, and I think that the bronzy color is really nice. This is a lip mask. This is from SERAPHINE Botanicals, which I've had several things from them at this point, all sent in my IPSY bags. And this one is the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. They call it a mask, but really it's just like a lip balm. I mean, it comes in a tube, so you kind of squeeze it out and put it on your lips. And they say to, you know, put it on like before bed, that sort of thing, but you can also use it during the day. I actually really like this. It does have kind of a fruity scent to it. It has a nice texture. I don't think that it's overly heavy or sticky. I can use it throughout the day. My lips have been incredibly dry lately, and I've been using this at night for the last 2 or 3 nights, and I do like it, but I feel like it doesn't necessarily stay on my lips for as long as I wish that it would. I mean, I always put something on my lips before I go to bed, but this, I don't know, I've been waking up with dry lips again. I don't know if it's this fault, maybe I've been rubbing my face into the pillow, maybe my lips are just that dry. This is sort of medium as far as lip mask goes, but I enjoy using it as just like a regular lip moisturizing, hydrating lip gloss, lip whatever. And then this is actually my favorite product in here. This is from YENSA, and it is the Sunlit Glow Silk Bronzing Base. This is a cream product. It comes in this pan, and this is not contour. It doesn't have any shimmer in it, so you could use it as contour if your skin tone allowed for it, but it's very warm. It doesn't necessarily look that warm in the pan. I don't know, maybe it does. I used it today, and this is the kind of thing that if you use it for contour, you're gonna look weird and orange. But if you use it as a bronzer, like on the tops of your cheeks and on your nose, that sort of a thing, like it looks like you've been out in the sun and you just have this sort of glowing tan going on. The brush that they sent with it is really, really nice. It's kind of you know, rounded at the edges, but not particularly tapered. It's fairly dense. You can see it's a really soft brush. It works beautifully with this product. I absolutely love it. This is the kind of thing that you can use on those no makeup days, you know, where you don't necessarily want to wear foundation, but you want to give your face just a little bit of something so you also don't look dead, you know, and you can just put this on your cheeks and suddenly you look a little glowier, a little healthy without looking like you have makeup on, and it just, you know, gives your face a little bit of life. Or you can wear it under your makeup, which is essentially what I have to, not under my makeup, like I put this on and then I put some blush on top of it. I don't know, I just really, really like the texture of this product because you put it on and it doesn't stay super creamy. It's almost like a cream to powder, but not really kind of a thing. And the shade, I feel like even with my olive skin, it goes okay. It's not so warm that it looks weird and orangey on me. I don't know, I just really, really love this product. This for me is definitely my favorite thing in here. They put in this little card here, be present, November, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, these cards are strange and have no real information on them, except that on the back it talks about the IPSY holidays, and they have the hair and makeup edit, the skincare edit, and the luxe edit. So they are going to be doing some like Black Friday style deals where they'll have these, you know, boxes, I guess, with different things. And you know, IPSY's been doing that like add-on thing, and then the IPSY shopper, and you know, they've always got deals going on. So anyway, if you're interested, I would check that out for this month. There's always going to be good sales and deals and things. So let me know what you guys got in your box this month. How did you feel about it? What were your thoughts? Did you get the same things as me? Do you love this YENSA bronzer, or is it too weird? A lot of the comments that I saw in it were like, oh, it's so orange. I don't know, I think it works. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!